How to active 21 billion BPE? First, you need token pocket wallet, 5 USD, and a small BNB gas fees like 10 cents or more. Go discover. I first click discover and I click search option. Here need paste my upline link, then click link, continue, then check your wallet address, your upline ID, and click sign up. Need wait few seconds and confirm. Wait few seconds. Check your account now active. You must be wait few seconds. Don't paste back. Okay, thank you.